How to lock WhatsApp on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your WhatsApp app on Android phone using your fingerprint or face lock. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And here, once you're inside the WhatsApp, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings. And here, inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled Privacy. And now here, under the Privacy, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as App Lock. So simply tap on that. And now here, inside the app log, there you can see the option labeled as Unlock with Biometric. So simply toggle on that option. And once you do that, a pop-up message will come up to confirm your biometric. So here it says touch the fingerprint sensor. So I'm going to simply touch on it. And once you do that, a tons of menu will come up. So here under automatically lock, there you can see three options. So here from these options, I'm going to simply tap on immediately. And once I'm done with it, I'm going to simply close the WhatsApp app. And here, if I reopen it, there it will ask me for my fingerprint. And there you go. That's how you can lock WhatsApp on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.